Alexa. Hi guys, I am listening to Amanda Land on my amazing new Alexa. By the way, I put this on my Instagram yesterday and people went crazy for it, so I will actually link it in the video description. It has all the apps on it, Netflix, Disney, Prime, all of the apps, but it also has my calendar synced up onto it, like to-do list, the weather, cute photos from my phone. It is like my new kitchen bestie. It was my Mother's Day present because it was Mother's Day yesterday. So I've put this on, I've hooked it up, and I'm gonna have a deep clean today. I think I've been putting this off for weeks and kind of just been fake cleaning, skirting over things, making things look clean when maybe they're not clean underneath. And I think it's got to the point now where I can't do that anymore, and I really need to get down and dirty today. So I know I didn't do a long form video last week. Sorry about that. It was just a busy week. So I thought, even though I'm doing a short at the same time, so yeah, I am doing a short video, but I thought I'll do a long video as well, and I'll make it a little bit chatty between cleaning as well. So that's what you're in for today. Let's rinse the house because it is disgusting, and I'll prove it to you. Everyone always says, your house is so clean. Here comes some truths.
Linchpin of the team. I can't wait to see what she does next season. So let's put our hands together for Georgie
You never forget about them, man.
I've just put on the new Louis Theroux documentary. I love Louis Theroux. I've watched him since I can remember. But I've seen people talking about this a lot. It's just come out on Netflix. It's the Manosphere one. I'm 1 minute in and it looks juicy. Just a bunch of, can't say, or YouTube will remove the video. But yeah, looks interesting. I'm gonna watch this and I'm gonna do the laundry next. actually just got changed because I finished and felt a bit soggy and dirty. But my avocado, my huge avocado order has just arrived. I'll just have a chat while I unpack everything. Part of me feels like I only get one day completely on my own a week, which I'm very lucky for. I'm well aware lots of people have 0 days on their own a week, but I've just spent, what's the time? It's 12:30. I've just spent 3 hours of it cleaning, but I don't consider it a waste of time. I've said on here lots of times that I am happier if my house is clean. My mental well-being correlates with how clean and tidy my house is, 100%. And I think you either get that and you're similar to me, or you think that I'm crazy. So however you get it, and however you don't, that's fine too. But I do feel better after that. I'm gonna unpack all of this. I'm gonna put all this away, and I'm gonna make something to eat. I don't know what. Obviously got lots to choose from. And then I am gonna sit down. I only got to watch like 5 minutes of that Louis Theroux doc because I went upstairs and cleaned all of the shower screens and the bathrooms. So I think I'll make something to eat. I'll sit down and I'll carry on watching that because I still have like 2 hours till I have to leave. So it's still enough time to sit on my butt for a little bit. But I'm sorry that wasn't as chatty as my long form videos usually are. It was a bit of a different one this week, but you got to see a little bit behind the scenes of what it's like when people like myself are filming a short video as well. That is what it's like. I know the concept seems totally alien and strange to a lot of people. It doesn't escape me that it is completely alien and strange. My job is weird, but I love it and I'm very lucky to do it. So thank you for watching. I promise for my next one I'll have Blake with me because I know people are probably going to say, where is she? She is having the best day of the week that she spends with my mum and dad, and they just spoil her rotten all day. But next week I'll do it on a day when she's around. But yeah, I better put this away before it all goes yucky. Don't forget to go on my Instagram to see all the short videos that I'll be making between, but I'll see you on my next long video as well.